little bit further. Now we got to go down the hill. And back up another hill. Doesn't look like they've been out here plowing much. Almost home. The roads are pretty sketchy today. Gotta pick up speed to get up the hill. You drive in the snow, you gotta have skills. And I'm driving a Prius. Front wheel drive. And it goes pretty well. Goes pretty well, I must say. Jeff has to take the truck, which has four-wheel drive, because he works further away than I do. So, and I only work part-time. Did you see that? Yeah, because there's some snow buildup on the left-hand side, so if you get in there with your tires, it kind of pulls you over. But luckily, there's nothing coming towards me, so I can stay toward the middle. And that's the funny thing, people drive like almost right on the center line. So then if somebody approaches, you got to move over, and that's when it gets a little dangerous. Because, like I said, it can kind of pull your tires over there. I'm going about 39 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour zone because we don't want to be flying down here at 50 miles per hour right now. I'll probably have to do some shoveling when I get home since I'm the first one there. Jeff won't be home for a few hours yet. But hopefully the roads will be a little bit more clear. Now I'm approaching some vehicles. It looks like there's a plow ahead of these next two vehicles, but he must not have his plow blade down all the way or something, because it hardly looks cleared. And now the cars are backing up a little bit. And we're almost to my driveway. Out here in the country. Hopefully I can get in my driveway. Alright, here we are. Let's see what happens. I always back in, so it's gonna beep a little bit.